10 foods every woman should eat daily for optimal health. When it comes to flourishing and maintaining health, the human body needs specific nutrients. When it comes to women in particular, old age brings a multitude of challenges, which is why it is essential to make sure that their well-being is taken care of. Additionally, the most effective method for ensuring that you are in the greatest possible health is to make certain that you consume a diet that is well-balanced and has all of the necessary vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. The decisions we make regarding our diet have a big impact on our general health, our levels of energy, and our ability to fight off any kind of disease. Because of this, it is of the utmost importance that we ensure that we obtain all of the possible and essential nutrients from the food that we consume. Here is a list of 10 vital nutrients for women, along with instructions on how to incorporate them into your regular diet. Number 10. Omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are usually just advertised as capsules or supplements that you have to take for better body function. It is important to take omega-3 rich food, for it is beneficial for heart health, reducing inflammation, supporting brain function, and can also help in managing depression. So, if supplements and capsules do not sit well with you, try including fatty fish like salmon or mackerel in your diet. For people who prefer vegetarian options, go for flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and fruits like kiwi and papaya. Number 9. Fiber. Because it aids in digestion and assists in the maintenance of a good bowel movement, fiber is an extremely vital component of a woman's general health. On the other hand, having a healthy intestine helps us maintain a healthy weight, which in turn lowers the chance of developing cardiovascular disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer at the same time. In addition to preventing issues such as constipation, a diet that is high in fiber also helps to maintain a healthy gut. Beginning to incorporate foods that are high in fiber into your diet, such as quinoa, brown rice, apples, berries, broccoli, and sprouts, you should begin to incorporate whole grains into your diet. Number 8. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is an essential nutrient for maintaining good health. Calcium absorption is improved, bone health is supported, the immune system is strengthened, and the risk of certain chronic diseases is decreased as a result of its use. Even while being exposed to sunshine is the most effective method for obtaining the maximum amount of vitamin D, there are occasions when this is not very feasible. Add in foods that are rich in vitamin D if you want to increase the amount of vitamin D you consume. The eating of fatty fish such as salmon, egg yolks, dairy products that have been fortified, and even some cereals are all good sources of vitamin D. Number 7. Calcium. Low bone health is a condition that is especially prevalent among women. Calcium has a significant role in the maintenance of strong bones and the prevention of conditions such as osteoporosis, making it an essential nutrient for women. Calcium is also an essential component in the functioning of muscles and the transmission of nerve impulses. To prevent your calcium levels from falling below normal, it is essential to ensure that you are getting adequate calcium through the foods that you consume daily. Because dairy products are the best source of calcium, it is a wonderful idea to consume more milk, yogurt, and cheese. In addition, foods such as almonds, tofu, and vegetables with a leafy green color can be beneficial. Number 6. Protein. It is commonly believed that consuming an excessive amount of protein can cause one to become chubby and enormous. However, it is essential to put these things to the side and concentrate on increasing the amount of protein you consume. Protein has a significant role in the development and maintenance of tissues, making it an essential nutrient for women's health. Furthermore, it induces the production of enzymes and hormones that contribute to the maintenance of healthy skin, body, and hair. Many people advise that you increase the amount of protein you consume to keep your hair and nails in better health. Make sure that you incorporate a sufficient quantity of chicken, fish, eggs, paneer, tofu, and even some kinds of nuts into your diet daily to incorporate protein into your diet. If you are unable to prepare them with sophisticated meals, you can still do a superb job of it with a straightforward peanut butter sandwich in the morning and some grilled chicken or paneer. Number 5. Vitamin B12. Even if you go to the doctor today for a checkup and he or she tells you that you are deficient in vitamin B12, you should not be astonished by this information. Vitamin B12 is a vitamin that is frequently ignored and underappreciated, and it is quite normal for people to be deficient in it. B12, on the other hand, is essential for the proper functioning of nerves, the synthesis of DNA, and the formation of red blood cells in the body. To ensure that your levels of vitamin B12 are adequate, it is recommended that you incorporate a sufficient amount of meat, fish, and eggs into your daily diet. If you do not like these, however, fruits such as apples, bananas, and oranges might be of assistance. Additionally, milk substitutes that are made from plants are also good sources. Number 4. Magnesium. Another vitamin that is often overlooked but can be of tremendous assistance to women is magnesium. Not only does it help minimize symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, PMS, after a certain age, but it also helps manage blood sugar levels, regulates bone health, and helps muscles and nerves operate properly. Many people believe that magnesium-induced drinks are beneficial to women's sleep because they increase relaxation, which in turn helps women sleep better. If you want to increase the amount of magnesium in your diet, you should make sure to consume foods that contain a significant quantity of leafy greens. Some examples of such foods include sarsen kasag, spinach lentil soup, and kale salad. You could want to try including nuts and seeds, whole grains, legumes, and even dark chocolate in your diet if you are not satisfied with the amount of green leafy vegetables that you are consuming. Number 3. Iron. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, which is the most crucial of all the processes that our body does regularly. The prevention of anemia, the maintenance of oxygen transport throughout the body, and a great deal more are all reasons why iron is an essential mineral for women. Just the fact that women shed a significant amount of blood throughout their period or menstrual cycle is what makes it even more vital for them to have a diet that is rich in iron. Be sure to incorporate a sufficient quantity of beans, seafood, or eggs into your diet so that you may ensure that your iron levels are elevated to the appropriate levels. Furthermore, even dried fruits such as apricots and raisins have the potential to assist in the enhancement of iron levels. Number 2. B6 vitamin. The healthy functioning of our entire body is dependent on vitamin B6, which plays a vital and active role in this process. It is essential because it contributes to the formation of a healthy brain, triggers the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, helps enhance mood, and has also been discovered to alleviate nausea and other difficulties that are associated with pregnancy. Keeping active and maintaining balanced sleep patterns is another way that B6 helps prevent tiredness. You should incorporate foods such as salmon, bananas, chickpeas, and even eggs into your diet so that you do not let your levels of vitamin B6 go below the recommended level. When it comes to a plant-based diet, tofu can deliver approximately 50 to 60% of the daily B6 requirement. Number 1. Folic acid. Folate, often known as vitamin B9, is yet another essential that women ought to be sure they are getting enough of in their diet. Folate is beneficial to the development of the fetus and lowers the chance of birth defects that are related to the spine of the infant. This is especially true for women who are experiencing pregnancy, breastfeeding, or who are trying to conceive. In addition, according to UCLA Health, folic acid may help reduce your risk of heart disease by lowering high blood pressure and improving blood flow. Additionally, folate may help improve blood flow. Research indicates that taking folic acid supplements may result in a decrease of 4% in the overall risk of developing cardiovascular disease and a reduction of 10% in the risk of having a stroke. By incorporating green vegetables, citrus fruits, beans, and peas into your diet, you can ensure that both your body and your kid will be healthy.